Good morning, everybody. I just wanted to make a quick announcement about a little change that I made to the Canvas page. Obviously, this is our home page. You can use these tabs to navigate through the site, and you already know this, the current module. That's going to be adjusted so that it pulls right up to our Unit 2 that we're on now. And then, of course, if you need to come to the instructional meeting, you can click here. But I wanted you to be aware over here on this side, I've enabled the quizzes tab, okay? That's actually where all of the assignments are housed. So if you will click on that, then you will see the assignments. However, really these assignments are in the module, and you're supposed to view the video lessons, learn the lesson, come to live session, and work on all these assignments. But if you are behind and you need to catch up, especially right now in Unit 2, because all those assignments are available, you can get to them here, okay? It's just maybe a little easier to navigate than going through the module. But this is not I'm not telling you to not use the modules and to watch the lesson videos or anything like that. Just giving you quick access. Also, for today, if you need some help with that quiz, then you need to come to the live session. I'm going to be going over that and helping you out with that. All right, if you guys have anything, continue to communicate with me by email. I'm trying my best to stay up to date with all of that. And I need to make sure we get everybody caught up and working and ready for next week, which will be the final week of the 6 weeks, and we will take the Unit 2 test. All right, y'all have a good day.